This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, November the 18th, 2012. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today we have a broad trough over the west and a bit of a ridge over the east with a disturbance off the southeast coast. And with this flow we have southerly winds, breezy once again today, highs in the 50s and 60s across the state with stormy weather over the Carolinas and over the Pacific Northwest. Monday, we could see a few showers come in Sunday night, tonight into Monday morning, and even Monday afternoon. Rainfall will be light and scattered about with highs in the 50s, remaining fairly decent here on Tuesday. The winds will be light and variable, but temperatures really don't cool off. We'll see highs mainly in the 50s, maybe a few upper 40s in the north and east. On Wednesday, the big travel day, it still looks like the main travel problem will be over the Pacific Northwest from San Francisco through Portland and Seattle. Some rain and maybe mountain snow in New Mexico into southwest Texas. But for Thanksgiving, stormy in the north and west. A few showers in Oklahoma and Kansas, and around here maybe a few clouds and highs in the 50s, but no real storminess. Friday, though, Black Friday, a frontal system will have moved through, coming through dry with maybe a scattered shower on Thanksgiving night and into Friday morning. Be cooler back into the 40s here on Friday. Saturday, much cooler, northerly winds, temperatures into the lower 40s for highs, maybe a few upper 30s with some snow across the western Great Lakes to our north and northeast. And then we head to a week from today. We have a zonal flow across the country, a fast flow with several disturbances along the U.S.-Canadian border, one to our north and one across the north and west. And with this, we'll still remain rather windy as the winds switch back to the south and west. Temperatures bounce back to near 50, maybe low 50s if this is right. So the weekend will be one cold and one warm day. We head to the 29th of November. Trough axis to our west, but most of the activity will be well to our north with several polar vortexes, one over Hudson Bay and one over Alaska, and a big storm over the Gulf of Alaska. And south to southwesterly winds quite breezy if this is right, maybe pushing temperatures nearing 50 again, maybe low 50s, with rain to our north and west. And at the end of the forecast on the 3rd of December, kind of an interesting flow. Most of the activity is going to be along the U.S.-Canadian border, become split over the eastern half of the country, and that could mean some seasonal weather around here, maybe a bit above normal, and the rainfall and snow over the north and west, and some storminess over the New England states. The satellite image from last evening showed a few clouds over the Carolina coast with a few showers there, some high clouds with the subtropical jet stream in the south and west, and some cloudiness over the Pacific Northwest, and some mid to high level clouds around here. Watch warning map from last evening, some fog advisories in North Dakota, frost advisories over Alabama and Georgia, and some wintry weather, winter storm watches, warnings and advisories along the Sierra Nevadas and up into the Pacific Northwest. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 6 o'clock. Some rainfall around here. If we get any, we'll be up to a tenth to a quarter of an inch. With the heaviest rain across the Pacific Northwest, we're up to 5 to 10 inches as possible.